Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn about monitoring Azure. Traditional application and infrastructure monitoring is based on whether the application is running or not, or what response time it is giving. However, cloud-based monitoring offers many more opportunities that you should be leveraging in order to give your users the best experience. In this lesson, I will give you an idea about application monitoring, platform monitoring, and some monitoring best practices. Application Insights provides default dashboarding with an educated guess of the most important metrics. By instrumenting applications, Application Insights will give performance statistics both from a client and server perspective. The application map shows application dependencies in other services such as backend APIs or databases, allowing visual determination where performance problems lie. Smart detection will warn when anomalies in performance or utilization patterns happen. Usage analytics can give telemetry on which features of applications are most frequently used or whether all application functionality is being used. You can use Snapshot Debugger to automatically collect a snapshot of live application in case of an exception to analyze it at a later stage. In order to use Application Insights, you have two options. You can use codeless monitoring, where onboarding your app to Application Insight does not require any code change, or code-based monitoring, where you instrument your code to send telemetry to Application Insights using the software development kit or your programming language of choice. Now let's look into platform monitoring. Databases, storage accounts, and data lake should be closely monitored because a low performance of the data tier of an application could have serious consequences. The first option is Container Insights. Azure Monitor monitors the state of clusters, nodes, and pods and provides visual and actionable information. CPU and memory pressure of nodes and logs for individual Kubernetes pods. The next one is Network Monitoring. Network Watcher is a component of Azure Monitor that manages the network components using a collection of network monitoring and troubleshooting tools. You can use Traffic Analytics, which provides an overview of traffic in your virtual network, as well as the percentage coming from the malicious IP addresses, leveraging Microsoft Threat Intelligence databases. The next one is Network Performance Manager, which can generate synthetic traffic to measure the performance of the network connections over multiple links. VPN Diagnostic troubleshoots site-to-site VPN connections connecting application to users on premises. Connection Monitor measures the network availability between sets of endpoints. Now let us look into some of the best practices for monitoring. The first one is event correlation. Create shared dashboards in order to expose relevant information to the different groups involved in operating applications, including developers and operators. If more complex visualizations are required, Azure Monitor data can be exported to Power BI for advanced data analysis. Next best practice is notifications. Alerts should be used to send proactive notification to the relevant individuals. Action groups in Azure Monitor can be used to notify multiple recipients to trigger automated actions or automatically open tickets in IT service management tools such as ServiceNow. Email shouldn't be the single notification method for critical issues. Instead, define actions to be executed upon receiving certain alerts, such as scaling up or down for the system to be self-healing. What about the other monitoring task? You can review Azure subscription limits for your resources and make sure you're not coming too close. You can refer to Azure Support FAQs, familiarize your team with Azure Support, etc. And make sure that you monitor expiration dates of digital certificates, or even better, configure automatic digital certificate renewal with Azure Key Vault. That concludes this lesson. In the next episode, we're going to dive deep into Azure Monitor. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care.